The Milwaukee MX Fuel is a top-tier solution for heavy-duty cutting tasks, offering instant starts and zero emissions, making it incredibly efficient for both indoor and outdoor use. Its full 14-inch blade capacity allows for deep cuts up to 5 inches, which is perfect for a range of tough materials like concrete, rebar, and ductile iron. Powered by the PowerState brushless motor, this saw provides the muscle needed to tackle the hardest materials without the need for gas-powered systems. One of the standout features is the MX Fuel Red Lithium battery pack, which delivers up to 6 feet of full-depth concrete cutting, or 72 cuts through number 5 rebar on a single charge. That's a massive performance improvement over gas-powered saws, especially with push-button activation, which eliminates the repetitive strain of pull starts and reduces downtime. Beyond just cutting power, the saw reduces maintenance and improves workspace conditions with zero emissions. No more fumes or loud engine noise to deal with. It also minimizes vibration, improving user comfort. The RedLink Plus intelligence built into the tool ensures consistent, optimal performance and prevents overheating or overloading during the toughest jobs. This saw is also one-key compatible, which allows users to track, manage, and secure the tool via a mobile device or computer. The MetalTech Pump Jack is an essential tool for anyone needing secure access to elevated areas, offering a reliable and versatile scaffolding solution. Constructed from rugged steel, this portable system is designed for durability and stability, making it perfect for various applications, including construction, painting, and maintenance projects. One of the most significant advantages of the pump jack is its low-cost portability. The MetalTech Pump Jack can be easily moved from one job site to another. The adjustable height feature is a standout attribute, enabling the pump jack to extend from 7 to 23 feet and reach heights of up to 30 feet. This range ensures that you can tackle a variety of jobs, whether you're working on a residential home, a commercial building, or any elevated area that requires safe access. Operating the MetalTech Pump Jack is straightforward. The process begins with placing the wooden poles on a flat surface. Users then attach the pump jack to the poles using its positive double locking system, ensuring a secure connection. To raise the platform to the desired height, simply pump the foot pump. This hands-free operation allows you to maintain focus on your work. The Handyman manual spreader is an excellent tool designed for farmers, landscapers, and homeowners, providing a robust and efficient solution for spreading seeds, fertilizers, and other materials across lawns, fields, and gardens. It features a durable steel frame, ensuring that it can withstand tough conditions and years of heavy use. This spreader is part of Handyman's lineup of tools engineered for comfort and efficiency. Its unique two-step trigger allows for easy, controlled application with variable speed settings, so you can adjust the spread based on the material and area you're working on. Whether you need a fine, even spread of grass seed or a more aggressive spread of fertilizer, this system provides excellent flexibility. The spreader boasts a 35-pound capacity hopper with a convenient lean-back filling design and a large front-facing lid, making it easy to fill without spilling or wasting materials. One of the standout features is the chest harness system, which ensures that the weight of the spreader is evenly distributed across your torso, reducing fatigue during longer tasks. The padded straps and chest sections enhance comfort, while the breathable design keeps you cool as you work. Additionally, Handyman's T-slot mounting bracket allows for hands-free operation, making it easy to detach or reattach the spreader quickly and securely. The spreader simply drops into position, and the quick connect buckles make clipping it into place seamless, adding to the tool's overall efficiency. The Hilti Neuron XOT22 is a groundbreaking construction tool balancer designed to enhance efficiency and reduce physical strain during heavy-duty tasks like wall demolition and drilling. Imagine a world where tools essentially float in your hands. This is what the XOT22 offers with its zero-gravity handling. It automatically adjusts to balance the weight of your tools, giving you a comfortable, weightless feel that transforms physically demanding work into a much more manageable task. By distributing the weight of heavy tools evenly, the the XOT22 drastically reduces strain on the body. This means less fatigue, less shoulder strain, and lower chances of back pain, especially during long hours of repetitive work. The Neuron battery platform further boosts the XOT22's performance by providing cordless power without any compromises. This cordless design makes the tool even easier to handle, eliminating the hassle of dealing with cords or hoses that could slow you down or pose safety hazards. Whether you're tackling tough demolition or intricate drilling, this wearable tool balancer ensures that your tasks are lightweight, easier to manage, and executed with greater accuracy. The Hilti Neuron XOT22 is a game-changer for construction professionals, designed to reduce the physical burden of demanding tasks while boosting precision and safety on the job site. The Cannibal Nibbler tool is an innovative cutting solution designed to tackle metalwork with ease, speed, and safety. Cutting through materials like sheet metal, pipes, and corrugated panels can be both challenging and dangerous. But the Cannibal's patented cutting action changes the game. It fits effortlessly into any standard drill, whether it's electric, battery-powered, or air-powered, and can handle materials up to 2 millimeters thick or 14 gauge. It can glide through stainless steel, aluminum, copper, plastic, and even softer materials like denim, leather, or paper. With a cutting radius as small as 8 millimeters, it's perfect for cutting intricate shapes, curves, or complex profiles. At the heart of the Cannibal is its high-speed punch and die system, which operates by the circular motion of the drill. As the tool runs, the hardened steel die and cutting punch work together in an up and down motion, cleanly punching out material with every upstroke. This design ensures that the Cannibal can cut up to 1,200 feet of metal on one punch, making it highly durable and cost-effective over time. For safety, the Cannibal is safe to touch while in operation, giving users confidence as they work. It's also incredibly portable, easily fitting into any toolbox or bag, so you can take it with you to different job sites. The setup is simple. Just insert the drive shaft into your drill's chuck, tighten it like a drill bit, and you're ready to cut. So there you have it, folks. 5 insane tools that are guaranteed to make your life easier. Let us know in the comments which one of these tools you'd love to get your hands on. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tool reviews and tips.